I'm using Holo Taco's long-lasting base, Holo Taco's Not Milky White, Holo Taco's Serial Killer, Holo Taco's Too Good to Be Blue, Holo Taco's Crime and Punishment, Holo Taco's Banana Medicine, Holo Taco's Rest in Peach, Holo Taco's Pinky Swear, Holo Taco's Lunar Unicorn Skin, Maniology's B195 Violet Waves, Maniology's B382 Smudge Free Top Coat, and Holo Taco's Super Glossy Taco, stamping with plate M349 from Maniology in two different patterns, though I will only show you one here. We're going to start with our base coat to secure the manicure, followed by Not Milky White so that we can create a good base for vibrant colors. We're going to drop onto a safe surface all of the Spring Pastel collection colors. And then we're going to smoosh them down with a stamper and stamp it onto our nail. I'm going to coat it with the Lunar Unicorn Skin, and this makes a fine manicure in and of itself if you wanted to stop here. But I am then going to follow this up with stamping a cute pattern over the top for just some added little spring pizzazz. After I stamp, I'm using the smudge-free top coat to seal the stamp design before using Super Glossy Taco to seal the manicure completely with that extra shine that we all love. And there it is. Voila! Ta-da! We have a completed nail art look.